Hello there, lovely people. I am Lovely Liz, and you're watching Let's Make Room for Positivity. Welcome. Oh, okay. So, I was about to film kahapon yung part 2, yung spiritual way to explain manifestation. Pero I checked the first video and I noticed that wala yung part na ina-explain ko yung negative emotions na nagdadala sa atin sa low vibration and yung positive emotions na nagdadala sa atin sa high vibration. So immediately, I created a video explaining those things. However, nag-focus ako sa low vibrational emotions. Kaya in this video, let us talk about positive emotions. Ano nga ba ulit yung positive emotions na nagdadala sa atin sa high vibration? Ito yung happiness, being inspired, being excited, when you are in a creative mode, tapos kapag nararamdaman mo yung pagmamahal sa puso mo, yun yung mga nagdadala sa atin. And yun lang, I apologize for this. Nakalimutan ko yung pinaka-importante. Buti na lang I can create another video. Ito yung key to abundance. Yan yung feeling of gratitude. Kapag sa puso mo ay puno ka ng gratitude or pasasalamat, life will give you more reason to be grateful or to be thankful. Ito yung isa sa mga paraan na kahit tapos ka, pero na-appreciate mo yung kung anong meron ka, no matter how small, yung pinagpapasalamat mo, for sure, bibiyayaan ka. Magkakaroon ka ng abundance. As I've said, we attract who we are. So, pagising mo sa umaga at puro ka complain, tapos sa maghapon, wala kang ginawa kundi maghanap ng mga bagay na irereklamo mo, life will give you more reason to complain. If you are grateful, life will give you more reason to be grateful. Yun, pagmulat mo sa umaga, you're alive, you're healthy, diba? That's enough reason para magpasalamat. Yung may natulugan ka sa gabi, maayos kang nakatulog, hindi mo kailangang maghanap ng tutulugan. That's enough to be grateful. At yung natulog ka na buo yung pamilya mo, nakauwi from school yung mga anak mo na safe, or nakauwi yung parents mo from work na safe, yun, dapat super thankful dapat tayo nun. At yung may pagkain ka sa table, tapos kahit hindi paldo yung wallet mo, kahit hindi punong-puno ng pera yung wallet mo, pero meron kang gagastusin para sa buong araw, those are enough reasons to be grateful. Kapag ganyan, lagi ang laman ng puso't isip natin, dinadala tayo ng mga emotions or feelings na yan sa high vibration. Syempre, pag nasa high vibration tayo, magagandang bagay ang namamanifest natin. Bibiyayaan tayo, blessings will come in both expected and unexpected ways. And definitely, you will have abundance. I hope this helps. Thank you, lovely people, for watching. Sending you love and light.